video, I want to show you how to create your chart, how you can send your chart to somebody you know, and how to change the language. Let's start with language. And if you see my cursor, movement of my mouse, we click here and we have a language. English, I believe it's Sanskrit, and Russian. Let's click on Russian. Ta-da! We have Devaguru in Russian right now. Let's click back. English. Ta-da! We're back. So now you know how to change the language. Let's create a chart. Let's create a random chart. Today. So this is a date of birth, and let's make it 54, and this is a month, so let's do 01, and date 22. So we have somebody who was born January 22nd, 1954, and the person was born, let's say, Green Bay. Let's say Green Bay. Oh, I found Green Bay here. And let's say person was born not AM but PM, and we can always change the time here. 23 minutes will make a difference. Nope. So here you go. We have chart named today for person who was born 1954 January 22nd in Green Bay, Wisconsin at this time. And now we will save the chart. Chart saved to my charts. Now we can go inside and see we have this chart here. And you can delete your chart. And you can also in the future, when you have a lot of charts, find them by first letter. And the Guru keeps upgrading and changing, so maybe in the future we'll have a chance, a way to sort our charts in the different folders, but right now this is how it works. So let's go back to start and let's click on my chart. Actually, we'll get in this chart. Now, how do you send this chart to somebody? You click send, you click create the link, you copy the link, and you can send this link in email, in the chat group if you want, or in a text message for somebody who can take a look at this chart. Ta-da! That's it. Today we changed the language. We created a chart, and now you know where to find your chart after you created it. Make sure you saved it, and now you can also send it. Another thing here is obvious: print chart. And let's take a look what is it going to be. Oh, this is nice. So you can print this. Interesting. And here's another way to print it. Very interesting. All right, that's it for today, and I'll see you next time.